Hola. I hope your Thanksgiving break was fantastic. Mine was, I had some turkey and I had a baby. Well, I had the baby before and I got this really cool cup at the hospital. It's massive. I know, you're jealous. Have a baby and you can have one too. Okay. It's late and I'm kind of tired, so my husband is laughing at me. Okay, so in this video I'm going to explain Gustar, and Gustar, if you look at your handout, means to be pleasing to, or in English we'd say to like. So if you look at those nifty little charts that I put at the top of your paper, we've got on the left-hand side, me, te, le, nos, and les. And those match up with the other chart, which is me, you, he, she, you formal, us, you all, or them. Okay, so each of those boxes matches up with the English. So le, for example, the bottom left of that chart, the word le can mean he, she, or you. Okay, so we're going to go with that. Okay, so me gusta means a verb or a noun pleases me, hence the me. Te gusta, a verb or a noun pleases you. So if you're using te, you're talking to you. Le gusta, a verb or a noun pleases he, she, or you formal. I guess that should be him, her, or you formal. So something pleases him, something pleases her, and something pleases you formal. Actually, I'm going to change that right now. So instead of le meaning he, she, it's going to mean him, her, or you formal. Because that makes more sense. Okay. The next part is nos gusta, a verb or a noun pleases us. So if we're talking about something that we like, we would say nos gusta. It pleases us. Les gusta, a verb or a noun pleases you all or them. So let's say I'm talking about you guys and I say les gusta estudiar español. That means you all like to study Spanish. All right. So we're going to start out learning how to say I like verbs. And you guys as a class might want to pause and talk about what verbs are right now. Make sure you know what a verb is, okay? So this is how to use Gustar when you're talking about a verb. When you use Gustar and a verb, always use the infinitive form of the verb. Okay, infinitive is a word you're going to want to know. Infinitive signifies that anyone could potentially be doing the action. Okay, so infinitive means anybody could be doing that action. Infinitive verbs always end in AR, ER, or IR. So if you guys see a Spanish word that ends in AR, ER, or IR, you know it's a verb and you know it's infinitive. Okay, that's really important. So, for example, dormir means to sleep. It ends in IR and no one specifically is doing the action. So dormir means to sleep. So who's doing that? We're not sure. It just means to sleep. Okay? Dormir. It ends in IR. It's infinitive. Okay? Cantar means to sing. It ends in AR and no one is specifically doing that action. Okay? Correr means to run. It ends in ER and no one is specifically doing it. So if you say correr, it literally is translated to run. Okay, so let's say you like to eat, or eating pleases you, which is how they would literally translate it into Spanish. To say this in Spanish, you would say, me gusta comer. Comer, the infinitive form of the word to eat, pleases me, or I like to eat. So, me gusta comer means to eat, pleases me. Literally, that's what it would be translated to in Spanish. Okay, let's say you want to ask a friend if he likes to eat. It's a fair question. You would say, te gusta comer? Te, referring to you. Gusta comer. Do you like to eat, or does eating please you? Okay, so comer is eating. Gusta means it pleases. Te means you. If you notice, obviously it's in a reverse order than we say it in English. Okay. Jane, my daughter, likes to drink milk. To say this, I would say le gusta beber leche. So to drink milk pleases her, or she likes to drink milk. So if you see beber, that means to drink. It's the infinitive form. It ends in er. Okay. We like to swim. Nos gusta nadar. To swim pleases us. Nos is us. Okay. They like to talk. Les gusta hablar. Okay. So they like to talk. Hablar is obviously the infinitive. It ends in ar. Gusta means it pleases. And les, them. Okay. I'm going to stop this and make another one because I think it's getting too long. So, practice using nouns with Gustar.